if you're experiencing verification issues on Xbox after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on another device or running a network test on your Xbox. Step 2. Restart your Xbox. Power cycle your Xbox by turning it off completely and unplugging it from the power source for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on to refresh the system. Step 3. Clear account cache. Go to the settings menu on your Xbox, navigate to System, then Storage. Select your account and choose the option to clear the cache. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be causing verification issues. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If the issue persists, reach out to Xbox support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the verification issues you're facing, and they can help troubleshoot and resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on your Xbox and get back to gaming. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from support.